Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to turn off YouTube Shorts permanently. So to start, go to YouTube app. So open YouTube app. Then go sign in into your account that you want to turn off YouTube Shorts for. Now in the bottom right, click on your profile. Next, what you can do is to click on settings at the top right. Now in here under account, look for time management and tap on it. So here under time management, what you need to do is to scroll down to the very bottom and look for daily limits. So under daily limits, you'll see shorts feed limit. So you can set how much time you can scroll on shorts each day. So turn that on and choose how many minutes. So you can choose 2 hours being the maximum. You have 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45, and 1 hour. So I'm going to set it to 2 hours, and that's it. So scrolling is paused after 2 hours, but you may still see individual shorts. And basically, that's it. So you can just open the YouTube app, go to your profile, and go to settings at the top right. And in here, go to time management and just scroll down and go to daily limits and turn on shorts feed limit. How you can turn off YouTube shorts on mobile. Thank you for watching.